This video tutorial shows you how to file a new divisional application using MyCIPO Patents. From the home page of MyCIPO Patents, in the New Application tile, click on Divisional Application. If you are authorized to act on behalf of an agent, please select the office and the agent you would like to work on behalf of for the current submission. You can either enter a Canadian application number or check off the box to state that you'll be filing a divisional application without providing the original parent application number. Click on Next. If the application is open for public inspection, the summary details of the original parent application will be displayed. Enter the title of the invention. If you have a reference number, provide it in the corresponding field. Click on Start. The application is divided into 5 tabs. It is important to click on the Save button under each tab before proceeding to the next one, as there is no autosave function. Upon clicking Save, any required fields missing an entry will be flagged with a red error message. We'll begin with the Petition tab. The title of the invention that was previously entered is copied into the first field. Note that you may edit the title if you wish. The applicant and inventor details are pre-populated based on the original parent application. Applicant and inventors can be added and edited using the corresponding buttons. Select a statement of entitlement. To appoint a patent agent, or an associate patent agent, click on New Patent Agent, or New Associate Patent Agent. The details about the priority request are pre-populated based on the original parent application. If you are entitled to pay the prescribed fees as a small entity, check off the box under Small Entity Declaration, and make sure to upload your declaration under the Documents tab. If the application includes drawings, you may indicate your preferred figure to accompany the abstract when the application will be open for public inspection. Click Save before proceeding to the next tab. Click on the Details tab to view the application details. The information shown under the Appointment of Common Representative is pre-populated from the original parent application, but can be edited via the applicant's table on the Petition tab. Specifically, to change the common representative, from the Petition tab, click on the Edit icon, represented by a pencil, under the Action column of the applicant's table, and deselect or select, as appropriate, the relevant checkbox at the top of the pop-up. If you had indicated a reference number earlier, it will be copied into the relevant field. Select the language of the application, as well as the method of correspondence. Click Save. The Reference Application tab can be skipped, since a reference statement is not permissible for divisional applications. Click on the Documents tab to view and upload documents attached to the application. Any uploaded document must satisfy the technical requirements specified in the information blue box. Select the type of document you wish to upload from the drop-down menu. Note that for new application filings, only those documents strictly tied to the initial filing process will be available. To select a file for upload, either click Upload Files, or drag and drop the file in the designated area. Once your document is identified, click Save Document. Repeat the same steps to add more documents. A priority document upload will require an additional input of information through the Priority drop-down menu in order to associate it with one of the priority requests previously made on the Petition tab. Most uploaded documents will be listed in the Uploaded Documents table, with the exception of priority documents, which will appear in a separate Priority Documents table. The status of the uploaded documents will be displayed in the Upload Status columns. To view or delete a document, click on the corresponding button under Action. Click on the Fees tab. You have the option of adding the payment of the next maintenance fee. Note that it is possible to submit your application without payment of the application fee and of the maintenance fee. You also have the option of selecting a general authorization statement. If any of these options are selected on the Fees tab, then you must click Save. The details of the fees are displayed at the bottom of the tab under Applicable Fees. Once all the tabs have been filled out, and the application is ready to be submitted, click Review and Submit in the top right-hand corner of the page. Review the information displayed on the page. Errors detected by the system will be flagged in the red error box at the top of the page. You will need to correct them before the application can be submitted. If the system detects possible omissions in your submission, they will be flagged in a yellow warning box. These warnings are not a barrier to your submission, but correcting them could help ensure a complete application. Note that the generated petition will be available in the Generated Documents table. You may view the petition by clicking on the button under Actions. Click Back if you do not wish to submit your application, or would like to make changes to it. To submit your application, click on the Submit and Pay button if the application involves a fee, or on Submit, if you had opted to not pay the application fee, under the Fees tab. Once your application is submitted, from the Submission History tab of the MyCIPO Patents homepage, you may view the corresponding application details, and access the confirmation of submission, and payment receipt, if applicable. Stay tuned for more video tutorials to continue learning about the various functionalities of MyCIPO Patents.